EdPass MFA on multiple devices. Set up multiple apps and biometric authenticators. If you're working away from your preschool, school or corporate office and need to access apps which require you to log in with EdPass, your at-school's email, you'll need to set up MFA. It's a good idea to set up MFA on multiple devices so that you aren't stuck if you change your mobile phone or laptop, have to reinstall any of the authenticator apps, or find you can't access your mobile. This video shows you how to set up MFA on an additional mobile. To do this, you need to be able to access the mobile that MFA is currently set up on. If you can no longer access it, it's been lost or stolen for example, you might need to get your MFA reset through the ICT service desk. This is one reason to set up multiple MFA options in advance, just in case. You don't necessarily need two mobiles. You could use a tablet or biometric authentication on your laptop. On the mobile, where MFA isn't currently set up, your new mobile for example, open a browser and navigate to the EdPass portal. Enter your username and password. You'll then be prompted to select a security method to verify your identity. This account currently has 3 methods set up, but you might only have one. I have a biometric authenticator set up on my current mobile phone, so I'll select biometric authenticator and select verify. I'll then select scan QR code. On my current mobile, where I have MFA set up, I'll open the camera and scan the QR code. I can now access EdPass on my new phone. Still in the browser, in the EdPass portal on my new phone, I'll select the EdPass account settings and MFA app tile. Scroll down to Security Methods. Under Security Key or Biometric Authenticator, or if you're using the Okta app under the Okta app, select Set Up Another. I've selected the biometric option as I have Face ID set up on my new phone. Select Setup. Select Add Passkey. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see your new phone has been added. My new phone is an iPhone, so it shows up as iCloud keychain. If I'm getting rid of the phone I originally set up, I can now remove this from the security methods by selecting the Remove button next to the authenticator. In this case, Android Authenticator with Safety Net Accession. I can then go ahead and add an additional authentication method on my new phone. This time I'm going to select Okta Verify. That way I can use my new mobile with the Okta Verify app to verify my identity in EdPass if I'm using a laptop or different device without biometric setup.